Hello, got me this debarking tool for the chainsaw. Look like something like that. So it's belt driven. It's working pretty good. Already tried it on this one, so thought I'd make a quick little video to show how that bad boy works. So let's go. Voila! Guess you could say it works. Works best on the backstroke, and it really eats down into the wood. Running it, just letting it float forwards like that, that takes a little bit more time, but now the drawback is it's heavy, rather heavy. So, well, that's what I wanted to show. Thanks for watching.